Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Windows 11 March Patch Tuesday Update KB5079473. So I will show you now how to download and install this update, and I am also going to discuss about what are the features introduced with this update. So to download this update, open Settings, tap on Windows Update, tap on Check for Updates. So after you tap on Check for Updates, it will display the available updates to download. I already installed this update. To check the previously installed updates, tap on Update History. Here you can find the March Patch Tuesday update KB5079473. Just download and install this update. So after installing this update, the system it will ask for the restart. Just restart your system. So after restarting your system, the revision number is automatically going to change. The revision number it is changed to 8037. To check the revision number, open Run Dialog box and type winversion. Tap on OK. Here you can check the revision number. Just install the update and restart the system. After restarting the system, the revision number is automatically going to change. Please change it to 8037. Now we will check the what are the features introduced with this update. The first feature it is now you can open number of File Explorer instances. Generally, we open the File Explorer just selecting the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. So to open the number of File Explorer instances, hold the Shift key on keyboard and select the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. So just holding the Shift key on keyboard and select the File Explorer icon on the taskbar, you can open the number of File Explorer instances like this. So this is the one good features. Sorry, this is the one good feature. You can open the number of File Explorer instances like this. And another feature it is when you browse non-zip files. So when you browse non-zip files, here it will display the extract all option in the command bar in File Explorer. So this is the one more feature actually they introduced with this update. When you browse zip files actually, so it will display the extract all options. Now directly you can extract all here actually in the command bar in File Explorer. So this is one more feature they introduced with this update. And one more feature is actually when you can perform the speed test on taskbar actually, you know already. You can perform the speed test actually. But you can also found the speed test icon in the Wi-Fi options actually. Just tap on this Wi-Fi icon and tap on this arrow actually here. Tap on this arrow. Here you can found the perform speed test icon actually. You can found also the network refresh list. So when you refresh this icon, you can also check the is there any new network lists are available. So these are the two icons introduced with this update actually. Can perform and you can found the perform speed test icon and you can found the network refresh list icon also here. You can found these two icons here actually, perform speed test icon and the refresh list icon. Just select the Wi-Fi icon here and select this arrow icon. You can found these both icons actually, perform speed test icon and network refresh list icon. So by selecting this perform speed test icon also, you can perform speed test actually. This is one more feature. And the last feature it is you can found new design in the storage settings actually. Just open settings, and tap on system icon. Sorry, tap on system and tap on storage, tap on storage, tap on yes. Here you can find the modern design icons actually. I mean, you can find redesigned icons for the desktop and temporary files and the documents also. They all with the all the icons redesigns in the storage settings actually. This is also one more feature actually with this update actually. That's it guys. That's all about this KB5079473 Windows 11 March Patch Tuesday update. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. For more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and family. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.